The Electronics D-Cell Mini Strobe Emergency Strobe Light offers an extra measure of security. The electronic emergency strobe is waterproof to a depth of 5 feet, and it features a stainless steel pin for attaching to clothing, life jackets, or backpacks. The electronic emergency strobe is available with an amber or clear lens, or inside a pack containing 4 lenses: clear, amber, green, and blue. The lightweight unit is only 4 1/8 inches tall, yet produces a repeating flash which can be seen up to 5 miles away, depending on atmospheric conditions. A xenon gas tube, the heart of the unit, will flash continuously 50 to 70 times a minute for 16 hours, then continues at a diminishing rate for up to 72 hours when powered by one D-cell battery. Small and light enough to be carried by children while hiking, the electronic emergency strobe is ideal for campers, hunters, skiers, bicyclists, and outdoorsmen.
Safety TV is brought to you by SafetyIssues.com. Life has no reset button. Think safety.